Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or thank you for tuning in if this is your first time. My name is Lindsay and this is a series that I'm doing on my channel of makeup under $5. So this is all of my favorite makeup products under $5. There are so many products out there that are under $5 that you just had no idea about, and I'm gonna show you them. If you are interested in that, make sure you check out my other two videos that I've already done. I've done one on face, I've done one on eyes, and this one is all about lips. If I forget a price, I am going to be putting all the prices up on the screen. If you're interested in a certain color, everything is going to be listed in the description box below. I just hit my elbow. I will be doing swatches of all of the lip products that I have that I'm talking about. So every shade that I own of that brand that I like that's under $5, I will be swatching, but it is a lot. So if you are interested in a particular one, make sure that you pause the screen and you screenshot the swatches because it's going to be a lot, but I'll make sure to have it all labeled and everything. So yes, everything on my face is under $5. I used all the products that I talked about in these videos. So if you're interested in this eyeshadow or my face makeup, make sure you go check out my other videos. Everything that I use is listed in those description boxes. Let's go ahead and get started on all these lip products. First things first, let's go ahead and talk about what's already on my lips. So the first thing I put on my lips was this lip liner. This is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner True Instant Color. It's long wearing, has an easy glide formula to line and fill. The one that I'm wearing is 04 All Natural. These are my favorite lip pencils. The Milani ones, hands down. High-end, well, I haven't tried every lip liner out there, obviously, but the ones that I own, these ones are my absolute favorite, and my favorite, which I've talked about before, is the one in 09 Spice. Oh my god, I love this lip liner so much. It literally goes with everything. Well, not everything, but like it literally goes with any nude color that you're using. This is my favorite. This is my ride or die. They are a pencil, so you do have to sharpen them, but I like pencils they have to sharpen better than retractables because I just don't feel like the retractables last as long. These ones last way longer and they stay fresher, and I don't know, they just seem overall better. Love these. These are amazing. The liquid lipstick that I'm wearing is by Wet n Wild. I know I've been talking about Wet n Wild so much, but it's just my favorite, and for these under $5 videos, Wet n Wild is the perfect brand, like, for these videos. So, and they're so good. They're such great products. So this is the Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit Matte Liquid Lipstick. These are incredible. These are so good. I wear these over my high-end liquid lipsticks all the time. They are so good. I love the like component that they're in because I feel like they're really nice to like throw in the purse, and I love the applicator on here. It's got like kind of like angled a little bit, but it's a little bit fatter, and it just really hugs your lip really well. The one that I'm wearing is Give Me Mocha. I don't know if I said that already, but I literally, guys, I have so many of them. I don't know how I'm gonna put all these swatches up on the screen, but I'm gonna try for you guys. I have so many of these. If you guys are interested in seeing like an entire lip swatch video of all of the ones that I own, let me know because I would totally love to do that for you. These are some of my favorite liquid lipsticks of all time. I'm pretty sure I have most of them, but I think they have, like, for Halloween they did like some special ones, which I did get a couple of them, but I love these so much. Last thing on my lips is another Wet n Wild product. This is the Coloricon Lip Gloss, and this one I think is a limited edition one, this packaging right here, but I'm pretty sure it's still available. This one right here is very orangey color, like rusty orange color. It's perfect for fall. So perfect for fall. I love this one so much. I have another one that's more nude, but I actually got mine on on clearance. It was 50% off because, again, I think it is limited edition, so it's probably not going to be around very much longer. But if you can find these, definitely pick them up. They're really good. The applicator is really nice. It's very thin and flat, and I love it. These are so awesome. These are by Essence. These are the Stay 6 Hour True Waterproof Lip Liners. Guys, oh my god, I discovered these when I was in Dublin with one of my friends, and these are so good. These are amazing. I'm not sure if they have these in the States, but dear God, please let them have them in the States because these are so good. These literally stay on so long and they are so creamy and so pigmented. They're very, 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 very cheap. They're so good. Or they're €2. Or they're €2 for anyone who's here in Italy. Or in Europe in general. These are the Wet n Wild Megalast lip colors. These are $2.49. Some of the cheapest lipsticks you can find at the drugstore, and they're great. They're amazing. They're so pigmented, creamy. I mean, I don't know, I'm gonna use all those words like a million times, but they have tons of colors for these. A couple of my favorites from these are these colors here. This one is called Bare It All, and then this one right here is called Just Peachy, and then the last one right here is called Cherry Bomb. These are awesome. The only thing I don't like about them are they are a little bit difficult to apply sometimes because of the shape that they are, but these are, oh my god, these are so good. I love these. There's not really much more I can say. I mean, it's a traditional lipstick tube, and they're just so creamy and so beautiful. I love them, and I have so many. I know in each video I've done, there's been one product that's been a little bit over $5, and the reason why I mention these is because these used to be $5, but now they are $5.50. So it's 50 cents over the $5 mark. But I had to mention these because these are some of my favorite lipsticks to throw in my purse because they're just, oh my gosh. I just love the shape. And again, Colourpop has so many shades of these, and they last a long time, and they have a bunch of different finishes. They have matte, they have glossy finishes, they have satin finishes, they have matte X finishes, which is like a super, super matte. They have so many finishes of these. These are really good lipsticks. I love these, and I just love the packaging so much. I love that each one has the color of the lipstick inside, and when you open it, it has the color. I've always had glosses, but they weren't really my favorite. I just recently started getting into wearing them more, but some awesome glosses are these NYX Butter Glosses. These are a cult favorite in the beauty community. They are really awesome. One that is really good is this one called Tiramisu. It's a nude gloss. Looks like that. These glosses are really awesome. I mean, they're not sticky, and they don't really last like a long time, but I think the best thing is that they're just not sticky, and they have a bunch of different colors. So these are really awesome. I actually like these ones better than the butter glosses, and these are called the Megashine Lip Glosses. These are one of their older formulas, but they do still sell it, and I think that you might be able to find them on sale in some places, but these are, I used to have this in my purse all the time. Like both of these, I would interchange them because they're just so comfortable and so glossy, and I love this one a lot. It's like a nude one. Oh my god. I love that one. This one's more of a pinky one. So pretty. I love, and then these ones, I can't really smell right now because I'm sick, but these ones have a really nice scent to them. They're like, I don't remember because I can't smell them right now, but they smell really good and like sugary, I think. These are extremely pigmented glosses. These are called the LA Girl Glazed Super Intense Color Extra Glossy Finish Lip Paints by LA Girl. That was so long. Basically, these are the LA Girl lip paints. These are $3.99. These are extremely pigmented. If you don't want to put any other color under it, you don't have to, trust me, because they are so pigmented. They are a little bit of a thicker formula, but I really love this nude one specifically. Oh, gorgeous. It's a peachy nude. But yeah, these are really awesome glosses that come in this tube. I will say, I hate the packaging on this. Hate. I don't mind the squeezy tube. I hate this applicator because it makes it so hard to like line it properly without going outside your lip. It just makes it really difficult. So I end up having to use a like lip pencil, or not a lip pencil, a lip brush sometimes because they're kind of hard to apply, but they're really nice and pretty and gorgeous. So that's all of my lip products under $5. We made it. That was a lot. I'm gonna have a heck of a time swatching these. Ooh. I hope you guys liked this series. Let me know if you guys want to see another video on tools and miscellaneous items under $5, because I could do another video on that stuff, but again, I just don't know what... But again, I just don't know if that would be boring or if that'd be interesting or not. So please let me know if you'd like to see that. Also, let me know if there's any products that I didn't mention in any of these videos that is under $5 and you think I should try it, because like I said, I'm always on the hunt for a good bargain and I love makeup so much, especially makeup that's not gonna break the bank. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't checked out my other videos, be sure to do that. Everything's linked in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!